Hi, my name's Martin Royds and welcome to Jillamatong. Today I'd like to take you on a journey down through Jillamatong physically and through time, looking at how the Australian landscape used to function, how it changed with our management practices, and how we can now work with the new knowledge we have to make the landscape work better. So let's go on a journey. We're here now at Peter's Pond. If we look at this landscape before white man came here, this was a boggy meadow. What had happened here is that we could see from that drone footage there's an erosion gully that was going straight down the valley. When the erosion gully went through, is that all the fertility was getting washed down through the erosion gully. Any water landing on here was leaching fertility out of the soil and away. By looking at the landscape and seeing where natural chain of ponds used to be and putting this back in the same position of where there used to be a chain of ponds. Slowed the water down. It's getting processed in these ponds now by all the water plants, and fresh water is running down and out into the landscape and rehydrating the land below us here. This is what we call Pelican Pond, because I've seen a pelican land on this. And the water that used to race down through this erosion gully is now can build up and flood back out over this floodplain. I like this section down below Black Swan Ponds because the profile can be is exposed and shows the black soil that built up over the last 10,000 years, and on top of that we've got what we call post-settlement alluvium. This is the gravel that washed off the surrounding hills and has covered these beautiful black soils. Thank you for coming on this journey down through Jillamatong and through History Lane. For me it's been over 30 years of learning how to read the landscape, finding the best people in the world to learn from, and then implementing what I've learnt onto the landscape. And to conclude, what we've done here is we've looked at how the landscape used to function very efficiently, how we degraded it by focusing on production rather than the whole, and now through understanding how the landscape did function, how we can reinstate the leaky weir systems that you've just seen, we can get the landscape functioning productively again. And this is what we call regenerative agriculture, and it's a solution to climate change as well as producing good food into the future. Now, the exciting thing is that modern technology can speed up what's taken me 30 years, and we can use drone technology, some better photography to film the landscape, see how the patterns were, and design and implement programs that, with the new knowledge we now know of how to get this landscape functioning, much better. Thank you for the journey.